Hello, this is Joshua. Registration number UR14CS123. In this fifth experiment of DBMS, we'll be dealing with subqueries and correlated subqueries. The first question, we have to find the names of customers who have ordered for either a cherry or a red oak finish. So you got to display the names of customers who've ordered for either cherry or red oak. So here you use the in operator. When you use an in operator, even if one condition is satisfied, it will get displayed. So the command select the column name, customer name, because that's going to be displayed from the table where the ID in. Again, you got to select the ID from the order, where the order from the order quantity and the product ID in the. Then this you got to select the product ID from the table name product with a product ID in either cherry or red oak. So the names of customers who have ordered for either cherry or red oak will be displayed here. So in the second question, you got to find the names of customers who have ordered for the product table lamp. Here too we use an in command, same like the previous one. Use customer name from the table name, where the ID in select. You got to select the customer ID from the order table, with the order from the order inside that, where the select order ID from the order quantity table, with the ID product ID in select product ID from the product table, where the description is table lamp. So when you use an in command, all the people who have ordered for a table lamp will be displayed. Find the details of customers who ordered for product ID 1000. So all the customers product ID is 1000 will be displayed. So here you got to use command select star from the table name customer C, that's the alias name. When you compare two tables, an alias is used. C dot customer ID in, that is the in operator. Select O dot customer ID, that is customer ID from the order table. From O, yeah, where order ID in again. Select order quantity, here order ID from the order quantity table, where the product ID is 1000. Question 4. If I got to find the suppliers, total supply quantity is greater than supplier S3. So each supplier is assigned to a quantity, and so you got to display all the suppliers whose quantity is greater than S3. Here you use the operator any. So select SID because that's to be displayed from the table. Group by SID because you got to group this. Having sum, that means if the total order quantity is greater than any of these suppliers where the ID is S3. So if it's greater than any of this, it will get displayed here. Fifth question, the supplier with the highest rating. Here to use all. So you use ID as name from the table name where the rating is greater than all the maximum rating from these suppliers. So to check all the conditions. There's no data found here. The sixth question, we got to display the products that are same as the product ordered by Kathy Cook. So here we got to display the products which are similar to the products ordered by the person named Kathy Cook. So we got to use this command select star from the table name with the ID. Here use an in again. Again select product ID from the table order quantity, where order ID again in. Select order ID from the table name order, where the column name in again in this ID from the table name customer, where the name is Kathy Cook. Let's display. Here display the details. 7% display the details. So supply quantity is greater than the quantity of order ID 103. So you got to use the command select star to display all the columns from the table name supplies, where the quantity, the column name order quantity is greater than any of these, any of the order quantity where the ID is zeros, 103. So if it's greater than any of these, it will get displayed here. So there's no data found. So the 8th question, you got to display the ordered quantity, the order whose order date is greater than the order date of order ID 6. So all the products that have been ordered after the product with order ID 106 have to be displayed. So use the command select the column name from the table name, where order ID in is in operator here. Again select order ID from the table name, where order ID is greater than any of these. So if it's greater than any of order date from the table name order, By order ID is equal to 106 should be displayed. This is not data point.